Welcome back, everybody, to our final segment on Cityline today. And I'm so happy to welcome, for the first time, Hillary Foreman, who is the operations manager for the Tacoma Home and Garden Show. Hillary, welcome to the Comfy Couch and welcome down to Tacoma for this.
Thank you.
Viewers may not be familiar with the Tacoma Home and Garden Show. Can you give us a little example of what that is all about?
So it will be at the Tacoma Dome next week, Thursday through Sunday. It is a show for all things inspiration for home and garden. So you will see and get a chance to meet face-to-face hundreds of local exhibitors who will be showcasing their renovation upgrades, their home improvement services, deck designs, landscape designs. There's also plants and home decor.
You'd think with the weather lately, it's already time for spring. So this is going to be great timing for people to get ready for that season.
Correct,
to come along.
yes.
Now, the show's been around for 40 years, 4 decades. What keeps it fresh and relevant for today's homeowners, renters, and obviously plant lovers?
Yeah. I think that 40 years, this show team has built a lot of great relationships with some of the best local businesses, and those are going to be the companies that are going to bring the best innovations to the show, and you will see those next week. We also have a new feature called South Sound Living this year. They're great little displays that are meant to kind of showcase how to be creative in more smaller patio and deck type landscapes. So that will be in the main entrance lobby.
Wow. I can just imagine the whole dome filled right now coming up with that.
Yes.
Now, there's a huge focus on inspiration. So can you tell us a little bit about some of the standout features? There are model homes.
There's a model home.
There's garden installations.
Yes.
Tell us about those. That's going to make it fun.
Right. The gardens are probably my favorite feature, partly because I get to see them from start to finish, and it's really incredible to see how they can build these beautiful but yet very practical landscapes inside of a building in 3 days. So those are, you can't miss. So before this year, there's also a full-scale model home. It's a park model home from Wilder RV. It will also be landscaped just to kind of give the whole feel of what that would look like in your own dream getaway. So that's what is nice though about these features, is that they give you practical applications that you can kind of take home with you, and the people that you need to help make them a reality are all there at the show.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Now, along with the model home, the garden installations, there's also something called the plant market.
Yes.
Now, what's new this year with the plant market?
So we will have a lot of great nurseries, the usual. We got some great bulb vendors, indoor, outdoor plants. We have a new vendor this year that's going to have a large selection of tropicals, including some rare varieties of Hoyas, which are my favorite. And for the first time in the Pacific Northwest Plant Con, we'll be hosting a pop-up at our plant market. So we are very excited for that partnership. Yeah.
Now, it's fun to come and walk through it. It's fun to be part of the show, but that's not all that it is. There's also an education component.
Correct.
And you have some fantastic expert speakers this year.
Yes, a lot of local plant celebrities will be there on the main stage this year, so that's nice. We have Sue Getz talking all things herb garden, which is always wonderful. Marianne Benetti will talk about ways to create carefree landscapes, and of course we have Cisco Morris. He will he will be doing his famous Stump the Chump segment. Say that 5 times fast, right? We'll have a speaker talking about how to host orchard mason bees and some garden inspiration from Kylie at Gregor Farms. And then we also have a cooking demonstration this year. I know, we're kind of excited, sampling to follow. Chef Dex from Woven Seafood and Shop House.
Oh.
Yes, here in Tacoma, the Puyallup Tribe restaurant. He will be there, and the full lineup is on our website.
That was Christmas Eve dinner for me this year.
It was?
It was my first time there, and I'm kicking myself for not going there earlier. So everybody's in for a treat to have that at the exhibition.
It's lovely.
Now, obviously, there's those great things happening with education. There's also some perks and giveaways happening.
Yes, we have a number of promotions to get into the show. Let's see. Opening day is free admission for everyone, courtesy of Hunt's Services.
Fantastic.
Yes, Sunday will be Educator Appreciation Day. Teachers and all staff get in for free, and then all days of the show is military and first responders are free. So just need to show credentials at the box office on site and they can all get in. And then every day is free parking, so lots of incentives there. And then we have Puyallup Chocolates is doing an exciting giveaway. It's
you had me at chocolate.
Right,
Go ahead.
I know, we can stop there. It's called Spin to Win. So throughout the show will be QR codes that attendees can scan. Everyone wins something, but the grand prize is free chocolate for a year.
Wow.
I know, I can't enter.
That's unfortunate. Now, Puyallup Chocolates is a great partner with them.
They are a great partner with us.
I heard a
yes.
rumor of a new chocolate they're doing.
They have introduced they've had their chocolate covered graham cracker for a while. They have a dark chocolate sea salt, which I'm very excited for this year.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Now I'm extremely hungry.
Yes.
That'll be my breakfast snack. I'll have to find one somewhere.
Okay. Yes.
Now, this is happening over multiple days. It's a fun, affordable weekend activity to kick off the year. Why should this be at the top of our list? It's the start of the year. Why is this the number one thing we should be going to?
Place to go to. You say fun, and it made me realize that I haven't mentioned that Guardian Roofing will be doing a pin-high golf simulator, right? I mean, come on. Talk about fun. So swing by their booth for that. And then, you know, to kick off the year, I don't know about you, I take down all my Christmas decorations and I look around and I really just see that there's a lot of stuff that I have been putting off. I need my walls painted desperately. So it's just a good opportunity to come down, meet all the businesses that are going to help you finish those projects this year. They also have, you can check online, you can see all the exhibitors that are coming and get an idea. A lot of them do a lot of exclusive discounts just for attendees at the show. So go to the website, TacomaHomeandGardenShow.com.
Well, I love the thing, you know, you talked about earlier when we said something about homeowners, renters, and plant lovers. And the fact that, too, is, you know, your home is whatever you make of it.
Yes.
There, you can do so much in there, too. So I encourage renters to go there, too.
Yes.
And
Oh,
beautify
for sure.
their spaces.
Yes. And the Plant Con connection, too, there's going to be a lot of great finds this year. So, yes.
Now, you said for those discounts, you can get them at the box office.
Yes.
Are there other ways to get tickets ahead of time?
Yes, you can also get tickets through the website at TacomaHomeandGardenShow.com. And then, yeah, either on site, it'll give you all the details on the stage schedule. Like I said, all the exhibitors that are going to be there, the plant market, the golf simulator. So lots of features.
It'll be the thing to be doing
Yes.
at
yes.
the Tacoma Dome
Yes.
coming up, which is fantastic. Is there anybody you want to thank before we end our segment today?
Oh, I mean, a lot of people put a lot of hard work into this. Obviously, our sponsors, Puyallup Chocolate, but yeah, everyone works so hard. We've been having talks all week about the big builds and how long it's going to take, and we all appreciate that they bring their very best, and it makes all of us look good. So
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, Hillary, thank you so much for joining us today on the Comfy Couch, letting us know about this great event coming up.
Thank you for having me.
And I want to thank everybody else who was on Cityline today as well. I want to thank Dave Wolf from WAFED, who was here to tell us how not to get scammed. Nalani Linder with Tacid, letting us know all about the great things that they're doing there over on the TCC campus. Adam Cook and Jessica Johnson with Tacoma Venues and Events, who, one more thing happening at the Tacoma Dome with the plant there. The Pet of the Week Bliss, make sure you go visit the Humane Society. And then also Tony and Tom with the 77th Annual Golden Gloves coming up very soon on the 30th and 31st. So many great things are happening in our community, along with the Home and Garden Show coming up. I'm Chris Surface, who's been here for Amanda this week. Make sure you check out the Time Machine opening at Tacoma Little Theater on the January 23rd through February 8th. And we will see you back next week for another wonderful episode of Cityline, exploring all the great things we do in our community. Thank you.